Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to prepare Chettinad style pepper chicken gravy. So I'm using 1 kg of chicken, 1.5 teaspoon of whole pepper, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 red chili, few curry leaves, 2 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half cup of shredded coconut, 2 tomatoes and 2 onion cut into small pieces. So let's get started now. So we are going to fry some of the ingredients and grind it like a puree. Turn on the heat and taking a frying pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, let's add coriander seeds first. Fry it a little bit. And once the coriander seeds start changing the color, we can add the whole pepper and cumin seeds. And just fry them for a few seconds. And then we can add the onion. And fry the onions until they turn light brown in color. So the onions are fried. Now we can add the ginger garlic paste. Fry it for a couple of minutes. So after 2 minutes we can add the tomato and let it cook for 5 minutes. And the tomatoes are cooked. Now we can add the coconut. Mix them well and let it cook for another 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes we can turn off the heat and let it cool down. And I took everything to a mixer jar, add sufficient water and let's grind it nicely. The puree is ready. Now we can keep this aside and take a new vessel, turn on the heat, add 2 teaspoons of oil, adding 2 red chili, fry it in oil, and then we can add the puree. Let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes, and after 3 minutes we can add the chicken. Mix it completely. And we can add salt now. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well and we can close it with the lid now and let it cook for 15 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes. Okay, our chicken looks good. And now I'm adding half teaspoon of garam masala, curry leaves, mix them well and close it with the lid and let it cook for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, just make sure the chicken is cooked, and then we can turn off the heat. And our Chettinad style pepper chicken gravy is ready, guys. So it came out really well. Please give it a try, and thanks for watching.